we are here doing DIY project. Not only am I a real estate agent, I am drywall and painter today, just so I can make sure my client's house gets closed. So I am the real estate agent to make this happen. Anytime you need to make sure you're getting it closed, I am that agent. I will do what it takes to make sure you get your home closed. So here we go. We're going to start off today with doing a couple things. One, we've got to make sure that the baseboards are caulked. So first things first, I'm going to caulk the baseboards. That part's done. Then we're going to take some spatula. It's in a spray can that I was able to get at Home Depot or Lowe's, either one. And it is spackle for your sheetrock. Okay. Gotta shake it up. Might as well shake it up. So I got all of the sheetrock mudded. So now I need to spray on the texture. So that's my next project. I've shaped it up. Now we're going to put on the texture. So, last process. After the texture has finally dried, now it's time to paint. So here we go. I'm going to paint. Paint. And that's what you do. Now, I got a finished product. So, like I said, if you're thinking about selling a home and you're looking for a good agent that's willing to work very hard for you, I hope I am that agent, because I try to do what needs to be done to make sure you get closed. Y'all have a very blessed day.